Alright folks, welcome to section 1D. Secrets of the three candles. Right, so each one of the three candles, what happens in it? Now, based on the previous lesson, you should be aware by now that it's not the three candles, it's the manipulation candle onwards. That's candle number 2. Alright? So, in summary, this is the rough summary of everything. Right? You're trying to trade the range, and before continuing further, we need to understand that every single candle is a range. So you don't wonder, anyone who's not a student of CRT or Turtle Soup is trading random patterns without thinking, right? They're just trying to catch a move without knowing what's actually happening. If you are a CRT trader, then you're looking to trade a specific range of a candle, right? Open, low, high, and close. All right, this is a candle. This could be a 1 month candle, right? Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. It could be a 1 week candle. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It could be a daily candle, right? 159, 159. It could be a 4-hour candle, right? 9, 10, 11, 12. It could be a 1-hour candle, right? 15 minutes each. It could be a 15-minute candle. This range you're seeing in front of you, go into your chart right now, and you'll see this exact same thing happening on all time frames, right? That is the fractal nature of price and time. That's why this is the most objective way of trading, is trading specific ranges of specific candles, right? Not the pattern. The pattern is part, yes, the pattern does matter somewhat. It matters only in the context of what I said before, is getting familiar to the lower time frame price action at the higher time frame key level, right? So all you're trying to do is try and guess what's the range going to be. First of all, decide, because most people don't know what they're trading, right? They don't know what kind of range they're trading. So decide, I'm going to trade the 4-hour range this week, 1 4-hour range this week. For example, a 9 o'clock candle, right, in Forex. I'm going to trade the EU 9 o'clock candle on Wednesday. That's usually a fast candle, right? I'm going to wait for, I'm bullish, so I'm going to wait for it to open, to smack down to a key level, and rally up, right? So this is the summary of it all. This is a summary. Now, to further get into, if you stop this entire course right now, if you stop watching right now and walk away with this, then you've made it, right? Then I've given you the information you need. However, you're going to keep watching because you want to know more, and you're going to go into the details of each specific candle, right? So the 3 candle model, CRT, candle number 1, candle number 2, and candle number 3, right? Each of these, the pattern says this, but if you look beyond the pattern, each of these candles is a range. and go back and check for yourself. Look for a successful 3-candle model, CRT, right? CRT low, CRT high. Look for that and see what do you see inside. You'll see something like this. You'll see a candle. You'll see the next candle going. And then you'll see the final candle hitting the target, right? Candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. This and this are the same thing, right? Understand that. Right, so the objective is to trade candle number 3. That's all you're looking for. So you're looking for the manipulation to happen over here, for the market profile to change from bearish to bullish, and then the fastest, easiest candle is candle number 3. You simply, if you're bullish, buy below the open, it rallies, and that's it, you're done. Right? Now the intricacies of each candle are as follows.